Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I wanted to run you guys through a workout that I just did. Great little chest pump and ab pump. Two muscles I always talk about on the channel that we should be training. Obviously, we want to be training our whole body as well, but you know, for pectus, building your chest, really important. When you build your chest around the indent, it makes it look a lot less noticeable. And same for your abs in terms of the rib flare, pot belly appearance. When you turn that pot belly rib flare look into a six pack, you're going to be a lot more confident in your body, and you know, your pectus is going to be a lot less noticeable, and the rib flare pot belly really contributes to the degree of the indent appearance as well. So it was a quick little workout. I've been doing like some more circuit style training, faster training in my training, and I just find it enables me to just get through things faster, quicker, and it's a crazy pump. It increases the intensity and just makes it more efficient. A lot of you guys are time poor, so you can get things in quicker. So what it was 21, 15, 9 for time. Okay, so it's going to be 21 reps of each movement. There's 3 movements, then 15 reps of each movement, and then 9. So you have 45 reps in total of each movement. That's what it adds up to, I think. Quick math. So firstly, the first movement was a strict handstand push-up. Now this is not too much chest. This is mostly going to work your shoulders, but relates to the whole upper body pump. And in general, we want to get a good upper body for just making your physique look great and you being more confident in your body. So a strict handstand push-up, technical, and you might look a bit weird if you're on like an Anytime Fitness kind of gym, but if you can find an empty wall, you just kick up against the wall and then lower your head down and press back up. So it's a great way to work your shoulders if you don't have access to equipment at home. This is in my garage gym, so it's great for me. So I'll show you like a proper set of that. Now with the rep scheme of 21 reps, doesn't necessarily have to be unbroken. You can break it up, just get through the work. Then the other thing was ring dips. I have a video on ring dips. Awesome movement. You're really going to feel it in your chest. It's going to hit you more than a normal dip, so be mindful of that. So for a ring dip, all the way down and back up. And then lastly, push-ups. So with push-ups, we just want to make sure our chest hits the floor and back up. So that was the workout, and then you go, so 21, 15, 9, and then we did abs to finish off on an EMOM. So each minute, you're gonna alternate between 3 different movements. So it was 3 rounds, so it was a 9-minute EMOM, 3 rounds of each movement, starting with a hollow hold for 30 seconds. So that is just this. You hold that position. Looks simple, trust me, it's not. It burns really bad. So 30-second hold of that. Then the next minute, you're gonna do some ab rollouts. So 5 to 10, whatever's in your capacity. You guys have probably seen this on my channel before. So just here, making sure we tuck our pelvis through, keeping our back straight, all the way out and back up. And then the last movement was just some plate Russian twists. So just holding a plate, and we're gonna rotate through with our legs up, feet off the floor. And 30 Russian twists, and that was today's workout. So a nice little burner. You'll feel a good pump, and it'll help you build muscle and make your pectus less noticeable. Thanks guys, peace.